Organic isn't quite as common here in the Imperial Valley as it is in other places. When we were starting, we had enough acreage that we were sending our organic fruit out to 3 different packing houses because one couldn't handle the amount of organic that we had. There was no packing facility down here that was packing organic citrus. So that is one of the reasons why we decided to open up our organic packing house. We have more control over our fruit. We can leave the fruit on until we need it, pick it when we need it, and get it fresh out to the consumers. We have organic lemons. We are currently in our organic sweet lime orchard. We also have migniolas. We have organic grapefruit. In addition to that, we have medjool dates. They are delicious. You don't just go to the grocery store and it's on the shelf. You haven't understood the blood, sweat, and tears. It took a year to get that fruit there, that even when you're paying more for it, the water came from the Colorado River. We had to get our bugs from Riverside. We had to plow the ground, till the ground. We also, when we hire somebody, our employees, let's just say you have 2 kids, that's 4 people that you're making a difference in their life. California grown is what you should be looking for in the store.